Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me here, Chigo King. So hope you guys are doing well. Hope you guys are doing good. Yeah guys, today I'm going to show you guys how I created this look. Yeah guys, I use affordable makeup, less than €15 or $15 product to create this look. Hope you guys will love it. Without wasting much of your time, let's just get into the tutorial. So I'm going to use Makeup Revolution in shade C12 to prime my eyes first.
I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head.
Alright, the brush I'm using from Maybelline brush is a concealer brush.
I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I just need to.
The eyeshadow palette I'm going to use today is from Revolution. So I'm going to start with this lighter shade here, the lighter color. That's what I'm going to start with.
I just need to clear my head. Can't focus. I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my.
The deeper color. The eyeshadow palette is cheap, but it's super good. Honestly, it comes out well. So I'm going in with this orange color here to top it up.
I just need to clear my head. I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces.
So I'm going to go in with this color here.
All the bridges between us. I can't focus. I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my. I just need to clear my head. I just need.
So I'm changing brush. I'm using BH Studio Pro number 8. Just to top it.
I've been stuck on your memory, but it's not like I need it. And we may have some history, but we don't have to repeat it. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I'm gonna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus. I can't forget.
I want it to be a little bit dark.
Thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my. I just need to clear my head. 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 I just need to clear my.
I need to use BH Studio Pro number 5.
I just need to.
I'm going in with my revlon eyeliner to line up my eyes. So guys, I'm going to prime my face with Essential Primer Studio Mattifying Plus Pore Minimizing Primer. Oh my god, it's like I'm running out of this primer. What's happening? I don't want to pop up. Guys, like I'm running out of this primer. We need to get it again. Just use my hand to put it all over my face. It's a mattifying primer. I'm using it for a while now. I think it's good. It's good. Not even I think it's good. It's good. So I'm jumping in with concealer and corrector medium 6 color palette. It's from PH Cosmetics. Yeah. So I'm going to use this color here, and here to just cover a little bit my dark spots.
Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus.
Well, I don't use it always. It's when I start having this. Sometimes I don't know what my face is doing. Sometimes it's just, you know. I have acne. I don't used to have acne. I don't know what happened. Yes, I said it before in my previous video. I said I changed soap. Immediately I changed soap, this acne just landed again. Guys, you can't believe it. Since then I'll be fighting it to go. I have to get this to cover it whenever I'm doing makeup. Not always. Sometimes it clears on it, or sometimes it just be there. So guys, the foundation I'm going to use today is from L'Oreal. Perfect match in shade, I think this cappuccino. Yeah, that's what I'm going to use today.
I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head.
Well, I'm gonna blend it with my beauty blender. Just that is, I think this cappuccino, I don't know. Let me see. No, it looks lighter sometimes. No. So guys, I'm going to drop every product I use in this video in description below. Yeah. So guys, I'm going in with Revolution Concealer in shade 12 to highlight my under eye, to highlight my face, to highlight my eye, to highlight. So guys, I'm going in with my Manhattan Soft Matte Loose Powder. I think this loose powder is DM product. Manhattan, no, I think, no, it's not a DM product. I'm not too sure.
No one likes me and I do. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us.
So like going over to my eyes, I'm going to use shade here.
I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my.
So guys, I'm going to use this shade here to pump out my eye.
I've been stuck on your memory, but it's not like I need it.
This highlighter is really amazing, honestly. When I bought this highlighter, I was like, is it gonna work? So guys, I'm going in with my blush palette from Tara, House of Tara, Nigeria. When I use right now, sometimes I first highlight my face before using blush, because I always use blush to take away the harsh lines of the highlight. I don't want the harsh lines to show, so that's what I'm gonna use right now. This lip liner is from House of Tara, Nigeria, purple color. I didn't even know the name because it has been long I bought it, and I love it. I didn't even know how to get another one, so that's what I'm using right now. You can see how it is. It comes out very well. I love it. So I'm topping it up with Makeup Revolution liquid liner in shade Exposed.